Hi there. Today we'll walk through configuring companies and worksites in GoSite Ready. Depending on your needs, you may work with a variety of company types, including clients, external registered training organisations, RTOs, and subcontractors. Examples of worksites might include a client's mine or construction site, or an RTO's physical training office. Let's start by setting up a client company and their worksites. In addition to the basic company information, you'll likely need to record key contacts, including names and contact details. What about tracking required training and inductions for your people at a worksite? This information is managed under the Required Skills tab, where you can define the necessary qualifications and inductions for each worksite. The Jobs tab is where you can view scheduled jobs and add or update personnel or equipment to the worksite. You can set specific start and end dates, times, and frequencies, and add the personnel who will be allocated to that particular job for that worksite. The Skills tab is where you can track important documents such as licenses, insurances, and other credentials to ensure nothing expires. You can also store any related company files under the Attachment tab. Simply drop and drag or upload. The Notes tab allows you to log specific comments or instructions, which can be accompanied by supporting documentation. External systems are any external providers or platforms that you would like linked to the GoSite Ready platform. Additionally, all changes to company records are automatically logged in GoSite Ready and can be viewed via the History tab.